How to change handle name in YouTube channel. Hi guys, you're probably here to make your YouTube channel look more professional and appealing by having a shorter handle name, or maybe just want to correct your handle name because there's an error on it. By changing your handle, you can make it easier for your viewers to remember and easily access your channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to change your YouTube channel's handle name. Now what you wanna do is first go to your YouTube channel's homepage. Then, go to your YouTube studio. From here, along the left-hand side, you can click on the customization. Then, you can click on basic info. And here, you can change your YouTube channel's username along with your YouTube handle. One more thing, you'll just have to click on publish to finalize your adjustments. So once you change this, your YouTube channel's link or handle name will also change. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.